Good morning, students. Today I will discuss some important definitions related to chapter electrochemistry. First is Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that when the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across the conductor, means I is directly proportional to V. V is the potential difference. Then it is also right V is equal to IR. R is the constant. It is also called resistance of the conductor. Ohm law is obeyed by both the metallic as well as electrolytic conductors. So here we can easily calculate the current I is equal to V by R. Then what do you mean by R? R means resistance, which obstruct the flow of electric current. It is denoted by R, means it is the property of a substance by which it obstructs the flow of electric current through it. Unit of R is ohm. Sign this sign is used. Resistance is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. A means R is equal to L by A. R is equal to rho L by A. This is rho. Rho means proportionality constant. It is also called as specific resistance or resistivity. Its symbol is this like, and it is called rho. Then we can easily calculate rho, that is equal to R into A by L. Means if length is 1 centimeter, area of cross section is 1 centimeter square, then R is equal to rho. R is equal to rho. It means resistivity. Resistivity or specific resistance. How it is defined? Means the resistance produced in the flow of electric current when the electrolytic solution is placed between the two electrodes having 1 centimeter length with area of cross section 1 centimeter square. Means rho is equal to R into A by L. This is called as resistivity or specific resistance. Unit of resistance is ohm. Area of cross section, that is centimeter square. Length in centimeter. After cancel out, that remain ohm centimeter. Unit is ohm meter. This is SI unit. Means it is the resistance of 1 centimeter cube of the conductor. Now the next definition is conductance. Conductance is denoted by G. It is the reciprocal of resistance, or it is defined as the ease with which the electric current flows through a conductor. Means Z is equal to 1 by R. Its unit is Siemens. It is denoted by S. 1 Siemens is equal to per ohm. inverse of Ohm, that is mho. Now the next definition is conductivity. It is denoted by K. It is the reciprocal of resistivity. K is equal to 1 by rho. Rho is equal to R into L by A. It means this 1 by R into L by A. 1 by R is equal to Z. G मतलब conductance. Z into L by A. This is the formula. If length is equal to 1 centimeter, A is equal to 1 centimeter square, and then K is equal to Z. How will you define the conductivity? It is the conductance of a solution of 1 centimeter length with area of cross section 1 centimeter square. Means K is equal to 1 by rho. It means 1 by Ohm centimeter. Unit of rho is equal to Ohm centimeter. After that, it becomes per Ohm per centimeter or Simon per centimeter. It is also defined as the conductance of 1 centimeter cube of the solution of the electrolyte. This is also called as conductivity. Its SI unit is also Simon per meter. Now the type of conductance. Conductance are of two types. First metallic conductance, second electrolytic conductance. Metallic conductance is also called electronic conductance. Means electrical conductance through a metal is called as metallic conductance. It is due to the movement of electrons and it depends on the nature and structure of metal. Second, it is also depend on the number of valence electrons per metal atom. Third, it depends on temperature. If temperature increases, metallic conductance decreases because it depends on the movement of electrons. Now second type is electronic conductance. Electrolytic conductance. Electrolytic means the conductance of electricity by ions present in the solution. It is also called as ionic conductance. It takes place by the help of movement of ions present in the solution. It depends on the nature of electrolyte or interionic attractions. Means lesser the solute-solute interaction, then greater will be the freedom of movement of ions and higher will be the conductance. It also depends on temperature. If temperature increases, electrolytic conductance also increases because decrease in the interionic attraction or increase the dissociations of ions takes place present in the solution. So these are the major difference between the metallic conductance and electrolytic conductance. Thank you, students.